Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2008 Honda CBR600RR Graffiti Edition. This bike's got just a little over 7,000 miles on it and is in excellent condition. It's got a very light tip over on the one side, which I'll show you as we go around. Let's take a walk and then we'll fire it up. Like I said, overall this bike is very, very clean. The tip over on it is very, very gentle. I'll show you as we go around. We will be putting new tires on this bike. One of the aftermarket additions added here were frame sliders. But as you can see, the tank and the seats and everything are in excellent shape. No dents, no scratches, no rips, no tears. This does have an aftermarket tail section on it with aftermarket LED rear blinkers. So during the tip over here is one of the light spots right here on the edge of this fairing. There's a few scratches here on the blinker and then the back of the mirror. But it's very, very minimal and very, very light. So show you those miles now. 7,035 is what's on it. This Graffiti Edition will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Also comes with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you'll get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping. SimplyStreetBikes.com.